People, I don't come with another tori wey I go need to give you so that you go dey better your life, so that you go dey understand how things dey go. My tori no dey pass real estate o, there is wey concern real estate, wey concern investment, wey concern property. Na im I dey wan tell you so. So the matter be say, you don ever lose money during real estate investment? They don scam you before for real estate? You don lose money when you dey wan buy land due to say maybe one particular issue, maybe you wan buy land issue, you don ever lose money? Have you been scammed trying to buy a property? If you want to know, shey you wan know how you take avoid make dem no scam you for Lagos or for any territory or vicinity wey you find yourself, dis story na for you. Dis news wey I wan talk so, dis thing wey I wan bring to your know na for you. Calm down, lis ten, make you understand how you take avoid all these kukere round grabbers, all these kukere scammers wey dey out. Some people wey dey very dubious, wey dey outside, dey look for one way or the other to take eat people money, to deceive them. Dis story wey I dey bring na for you. Lis ten to am as I dey talk. And before I start dis story, my own people, my name again na Uche Crystal Okeke. I'm a builder, I'm a realtor, and also an interior designer. So I dey bring you tori live and direct as you go take, as e take dey happen, as e dey hot, and as you go take understand am. Na im make me dey put am for dis pidgin so that anybody go fit understand. I no dey to dey speak plenty grammar no dey help anybody. Grammar, all of us know say na you just waka come. Pidgin na our own indigenous language, na im make me dey speak the tori for pidgin so that everybody go understand. So I wan give you like at least 4 points wey you go take avoid all this kind scam, wey you go take avoid all this kind losing your millions during real estate investment, or trying to secure a property or secure a land. How you go take avoid those kind things? You understand me? So the first number 1 point na for you to confirm if that property dey under government acquisition. I hope you understand this English. Okay, make I bring am down a bit. Make you try know if this property where na government get am, because e get the law wey state now, the law wey dey be say every land belong to government. Na government get every land. So out of that land, as dem dey so dem dey apportion a particular part give back to the community or to the villages wey that land belong to. So you understand? So you need to check where the one wey they want to sell to you e dey under government hand. Because anything wey still dey under government acquisition, e just be like say you dey go pour your money inside fire. Because at a point in time when you buy and finish, at a later point they go dey tell you say this one, at a later point government go come back, claim the property, claim the land. That one show say you don pour money enter fire. So you need to confirm if that property still dey under government acquisition, whether e dey their terrain, whether e dey committed. You need to understand that. You need to find out. They get ways wey they take do am. As e dey come down to that ways, I go see download you the ways wey you go take find out all those kind things. The second way na to understand the title or the document wey that land get. Which document the land get, which title you get. I hope you understand wetin I dey talk. There are various type of documents. They get deed of assignment, they get survey, they get excision, they get CFO, they get gazette. CFO get global or individual, either global CFO or individual CFO. Which document that particular property dey? And for you to understand that particular title, that document wey you get, so you understand the meanings. Anyway, make that one nobody hear you. Just check within my link of this. I get video wey I do wey concern documentation, wey concern anything wey bother concerning documents, land titles, land documents. You get video wey I do concerning am. Just check underneath, you go see the link there. Click am make you watch, where I explain them one by one the meaning of all these documents. where I explain wetin be deed of assignment, where I explain wetin be CFO, gazette, freehold. I explain am well so dey understand. So by the time wey you don know the document wey dis thing get and you don understand am, the third point na for you to reconfirm that document. You need to reconfirm. No be just person just tell you word of mouth say dis thing na survey you get, dis thing na CFO you get, na gazette you get, na excision. How sure are you? Dem just tell you, or maybe show you one document, one paper. How do you know if that document is genuine? You need to reconfirm the authenticity, the genuinity. You need to reconfirm. Dem get way, dem get processes for all these things. You understand? Dem get process for am. You need to know. So even as I dey tell you story, if this news wey I dey talk so now, e dey sweet you, you dey understand that, you dey download am, e dey very educative to you, my brother, just click the subscribe button. As you dey go, so just click back am for the like button. At least make another person see this video, share am to your friends and family so that them too go hear this story, understand the differences, understand how to dodge scam, how to avoid being scammed, losing your millions, or the things wey you suppose do when you wan buy land property. These are the first few steps wey you suppose understand, what you suppose do. Even as you dey go like this, you suppose even go the site, do site visitation. As you visit the site, you understand the terrain. You need to understand where the terrain dey. All these points wey I don mention, you need to follow am. Check am one by one. Then the last point wey I dey try make, the last point but not the least, na to work with a realtor. Na there we sit down dey, you just work with a professional realtor. You can only just consult me and I will do all these things for you. You no need to stress yourself, na just for you to dey sleep jejely, peacefully, no wahala. I go do all the underground works. Make sure say I give you the best value for your money. I give you the best value for your money. I make sure say I make sure say I can check the documents, confirm the authenticity, confirm the terrain, chart this property, understand the coordinates, make sure say this property dey lodged in the surveyor general's office, confirm say the CFO wey you get say na genuine, confirm say na excision, whether na gazette you get, make sure say e dey genuine. That is why I'm here for you. I'm only just a dial away. I hear free information, free consultation. Just shout me up. Whatever the location may be, whatever the place may be, it's not a problem. I dey shout any property within this terrain, with this Nigeria. The only place I dey go na hellfire, but anywhere for this earth, I dey go there. As far as Nigeria is concerned, I dey go there. Confirm the authenticity of these documents for you. You understand me? So that you don't lose your millions. Money is very hard to come by nowadays, my brother. For you to make money now, no be today matter. Money no dey easy to come by. If you ask people, say they go tell you, say so that the one wey you don make, you no go just lose, you no go just go carry your hand, pour am inside fire like that, boom. So there are several mistakes wey you customers, wey you clients dey make. You no go don consult any realtor, you no go don ask any question. Bam, you don pay money. After you don come pay money, we come begin dey check. I come begin dey ask this document, which kind of document you get, which kind of. By the time wey you go do confirmation, come see all this wey dem tell you na lie, na just word of mouth. E don become another problem o. You and the person go come begin dey drag am. Una go police today, una go court today, finally go see say the money go come out. Even the one wey go manage say the one wey even agree, the money fit no comot the way wey say you take give them. Dem fit begin dey pay you small. Before you know, the money don go, e don pieces am, e no go fit make any use for you. Some people go chop your money, dem go stand on and say na nothing dey happen. E don go. You never hear cases of where dem say one land to 5 different people wey dey fight up and down for that same land. Now because you no do proper checkup, you no consult professional to do that proper checkup for you, understand wetin dey happen, understand wetin dey for that man. You need to do a proper checkup before you buy a property. And that is why I'm here for you. All those underground work, all those backside work, every of the work waka we need to waka, we go do am for you gently, neatly, and give you a very nice property. You no get issue. I just wan call, enter my DM, just slide enter my DM, now write me message. I dey respond, papa, no waste time. And as you dey wonder why we dey speak this matter for pidgin, my brother, pidgin na our language, English follow come, so we dey teach am to you where anybody go fit understand am, be old, be young, anybody go understand the grammar. You hear me so? So I dey beside you, just slide into my DM and talk to me freely. You no get enough free of charge. So keep watching. I have more videos. Just check underneath me. We have more links, more topics for you to enjoy.